Are you looking for the best butane soldering iron? In this video, we will break down the top 6 butane soldering iron on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1. Weller P2KC Butane Soldering Iron. This lightweight butane soldering iron can also work with hot air, as indicated by the attachable tool that comes with the purchase. It has a maximum temperature of about 850 degrees Fahrenheit, which is manageable, but a little low compared to many other irons. It also has a push-button ignition for easy startup and heats up very quickly. It can go from beginning its burn to melting in less than 40 seconds. It has a high gas capacity for about 1 hour of continuous burning, plus an automatic cutoff switch when the cap is replaced. It comes with 3 accessory tips as well, plus a stylish black carrying case that's small enough to fit into most pockets. This case is fairly durable and should hold up even under significant wear and tear. At number 2. PowerPro Butane Soldering Iron. The adjustable temperatures are made possible thanks to a temperature output regulator. With so much control, users can safely use the PowerPro soldering iron on fragile jobs, including boards and vehicle wires. The PowerPro comes packed in a durable storage case. The case is divided into sections that house accessories, tips, and attachments. Everything you need to get started is included in the PowerPro kit. Accessories include rosin solder, a hot knife, a hot point, a heat shrink shield, 3 soldering tips, adjustment wrenches, a sponge, and a tray. The iron boasts 120 watts of power and 5,000 BTU of pure butane flame. With a maximum temperature of 930 degrees as a soldering iron and 2,500 degrees as a torch, this iron is capable of producing enviable heat. At number 3. Master Appliance Butane Soldering Iron. Master Appliance Model UT100 SICK is another decisively named best butane soldering iron that we are reviewing today. With latest Master's UltraTorch family, it is a high-performance butane-powered tool. It is equipped with unique featuring UltraTip soldering tips technology. Featuring a best-in-class butane solder gun, is a lightweight tool with a fast push-button start, and its quick heating thick iron and chrome plating tip temperatures can reach up to 1,202 degrees Fahrenheit. Master Appliance Butane Soldering Iron ready to use in 30 seconds, and after complete butane, fuel filling can continue operating for 2 hours. Overall, the Master Appliance is a well-thought-out butane soldering iron that does many good things. The soldering iron kit includes butane-powered soldering iron, UltraTip soldering tips, hot air tips, shrink attachments, ejector, sponge, and a steel tool storage case. Another good thing about this Master Appliance Pro is that it provides a limited 1-year warranty to valuable customers. At number 4. ISO-Tip 7971 Butane Soldering Iron. The ISO-Tip 7971 Solder Pro 50 butane soldering iron has the fastest melting time, and it takes about 20 seconds for getting ready for the soldering purpose. In addition, standard butane is used as a fuel. Further, once the tank is full, then it can last for 30 minutes before you would have to refill it. Moreover, it offers a soldering temperature range between 410 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition, the torch function can reach up to 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit. Adding to it, the product can maintain consistent temperatures as well as heat up instantaneously. Plus, it has a minimalist design, and thus it can be used for various purposes such as torch, soldering iron, heat tool, hot knife, etc. With this product, you get a protective cap and a few soldering tips. The best thing about this product is that it is cordless, lightweight and ergonomic, and hence it can provide you with complete value for money. At number 5. Dremel 2000 to 2001 Butane Soldering Iron. The Dremel Versatip 2000 to 2001 Versatip is a soldering iron that comes with 6 replacement tips. This easy-to-use butane-fueled tool is ideal for soldering, melting, cutting heat-sensitive materials, and removing paint from small surfaces. It is powered by refined liquid butane, which is filled into a 17 milliliters reservoir. This amount of butane is enough for 45 minutes of intensive work at maximum settings or 90 minutes at minimum settings. Instant piezo ignition in 25 seconds heats the tip to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit 550 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to 80 W of power. The soldering iron has a choice of temperature conditions, which allows you to meet the requirements of any work as much as possible, and this is a strong argument to call this the best gas-powered soldering iron. Besides, the temperature of the open fire is 2192 degrees Fahrenheit 1200 degrees Celsius. The hot air temperature is 1256 degrees Fahrenheit 680 degrees Celsius. The soldering iron comes in a metal box with a practical set of tips and accessories. At number 6. Portasol 1036810P50 Butane Soldering Iron. Portasol P50 butane-powered soldering iron features an ultrasonically welded butane tank which helps extend the life of the tool by preventing leakage on exposure to ultraviolet light and cold/hot temperatures. In addition, this model is tested for 2 weeks before it is finally set to ensure reliable ignition and temperature regulation. If you're looking for a soldering iron that works well for both DIY and heavy industrial application, the Portasol 1036810P50 is the best option for you. The kit offers accessories that allow the operator to accomplish a wide variety of tasks that involve soldering, wrapping, cutting of metal and plastics, or even wood burning. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.